Okay, this is the mid-chapter check on page 387 of chapter 7. This is chapter 7. All right. Choose the best term from the box to complete the sentence. A blank tells how many times a base is used as a factor. Well, that's an exponent. Remember, base, exponent. That's the exponent. A mathematical phrase, 5 plus 2 times 18, is an example of, okay, well, there's no variables, so it is a numerical expression. There's your vocabulary. Okay, next. Okay, find the value. So this would mean 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So I'm going to take my calculator. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which equals 625. This would mean 21 times 21. So I take 21 times 21. That's 441. This one would mean 8 times 8 times 8. So I take my calculator, 8 times 8 times 8, 512. Okay? Now, you must show your steps as you do this. Left to right, PEMDAS. Exponents. I can do both those at the same time because they don't affect each other. 81 times 2 minus 16. 9 times 9 is 81. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, left to right, I have to do that multiplication first. 81 times 2, 162 minus 16. 162 minus 16, 146. Next, I have some parentheses. So 2 times 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 2 to the second. Parentheses. Now I have an exponent. 2 times 8 divided by 2 to the second is 4. Going left to right, I have 2 times 8, which is 16, divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. All right? Inside the parentheses, remember how we have an exponent inside. So 30 stays the same. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 minus 8. Notice how I brought down the parentheses. 30 minus 27 minus 8 is 19. So I've completed everything in here now. 30 minus 19 is 11. Final answer of 11. Write an algebraic expression. So quotient, remember that's division. So it's C divided by 8. 16 more than, remember this phrase, the product of 5 and P. So 16 more than, and the product is multiplication. You can do 5 times P or 16 plus 5P. But remember, more than is like your word and. Okay. 9 less than, alarm should go off. That means we got to subtract 9 from this. The sum of x plus 5 less 9 less than that. So I take this value, I trampoline 9 to the end. Good to go. Remember, here you have to substitute. 5 times h is 7 plus 3. Show your steps. 50. So I solved it. I substituted the 7, solved it. 2 times c is 4 squared minus 5. 2 times 16 minus 5. 2 times 11, 22. Substitute, solve. Show your steps. 7, a is 8. That means times 8 minus 4 times 8. They threw a double A's out there. 56 minus 32. 56 minus 32 is 24. Okay? Good so far. Other side. The greatest value of any U.S. paper is 10 to the 5th power. What is the amount in standard form? So standard form is when you solve it. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. If I wrote that down, that'd be exponential form. But standard form is 100,000. Okay, that's $100,000. Okay, next, a clothing store is raising the price of sweaters by $3. Write an expression that you can use to find the new price that originally cost D dollars. So you figure the cost is D. Well, they're going to raise it $3. So a new sweater is going to be D plus 3. For example, if it originally cost $10, now they're going to cost 13. Okay. Okay, so they're going to raise it 3. Kendra bought a magazine for $3 and a paper and 4 paperback books for $5. The expression 3 plus 4 times 5 represents the total cost of her purchases. Well, we didn't do much with terms, okay? But just so you know, there are 2 terms, 3 and 4 times 5. We'll get to that. These are terms. We'll have you work on that. Next, number 18, the expression 5C plus 7M gives a number of people can ride in this many cars and this many minivans. What are the coefficients? Listen, I've been talking about that. The coefficient is the number next to the letter. I'm multiplying it by it. So the coefficients are 5 and 7. And last question. The formula P equals A plus B plus C gives the perimeter of a triangle with the side lengths ABC. How much greater? So what they're saying is, here's a triangle, ABC. One triangle has side lengths 33, 56, 65. The other triangle has one that measures 26, 49, and 38. The perimeter is A plus B plus C. So 33 plus 65 plus 56 equals, here, 26 plus 38 plus 49 equals. So I'm going to take my calculator. 33 plus 65 plus 56 equals 154. So the distance around there is 154. Other one, 26 plus 38 plus 49, that is 113. So to find how much further this is, I do 154 minus 113, 4. So it is 41 yards more. Okay? So that is the mid-chapter review.